LIV IQ is an integrated, ready-to-use, portable gas delivery system for paramedics and hospital-based use. The LIV IQ product consists of a valve with an integrated pressure regulator, a flow outlet, and a digital display. The lightweight cylinder is filled with medical gas. The LIV IQ is an integrated portable gas delivery system. The whole package is maintained by Linde Healthcare as the owner of this product. All personnel handling cylinders filled with pressurized gas should be fully trained to carry out each operation. All personnel must be fully aware of the requirements for safe use. The device is MRI conditional as per ASTM standard 250305 and is compatible for use during MR imaging, minimum distance 30 centimeters close to a 3.0 Tesla MRI. Before using the LIV IQ, please familiarize yourself with the following safety instructions. Keep away from combustible material, open flame, and sparks. Contact with combustible material can cause fire. Do not use outside operating temperature range -20 to +45 degrees Celsius. Please follow the next steps before you start using LIV IQ. Make sure that the digital display contents indicator shows there is enough content for intended use. Make sure that the flow selector is set at 0. You have two options to connect a delivery device, either to the flow outlet or to the pressure outlet. You should not use the LIV IQ with devices connected to both outlets at the same time. If you connect the delivery device to the flow outlet, make sure that the patient is not connected to the delivery device. Make sure that the flow selector dial has correctly engaged and is not in between two settings. Otherwise, the LIV IQ will not allow the required volumetric flow rate for the medical gas. Make sure that the dimension of the delivery device hose fits the flow outlet of the valve with 6 mm outer diameter and the delivery device hose is firmly attached. Slowly turn the shut-off valve anti-clockwise to on to open the LIV IQ fully. If a delivery device is connected to the flow outlet, turn flow selector stepwise up through flow settings to select flow. The patient can now be connected to the delivery device. For safe and convenient hookup, LIV IQ packages with cylinders up to 5 litres can be equipped with a bed hanger. LIV IQ has a digital display indicating the following icons. It shows the current set flow rate. The flow symbol indicates that the flow is active. The therapy time remaining at selected flow settings. The content bar graph at the bottom of the display indicates the remaining gas volume. The diamond icon indicates that you are using a new and full cylinder. For finishing the treatment, or if the cylinder is empty and needs to be exchanged, please follow the next steps. Make sure that the patient is not connected to the delivery device anymore. Turn flow selector stepwise down through flow settings to 0. Turn the shut-off valve clockwise to off to close the LIV IQ. Turn the flow selector fully to vent the equipment. Turn the flow selector back to 0. Disconnect the delivery device. If provided, the pressure outlet is equipped with a quick connector and allows connection to a medical device. The output pressure is 4.5 bar nominal and the flow selector does not control the flow from the pressure outlet. To connect a delivery device to the quick connector of the pressure outlet, Make sure that the probe connector is compatible with the respective medical gas. Insert the probe connector into the quick connector so that it engages correctly. Pull on the connector to make sure that it is sitting correctly. This quick connector does not have a function to retain the inserted probe. Do not disconnect the connector until the shutoff valve is closed and depressurized. A faulty connection can result in leaks and/or to the ejection of the connector, with potential injuries or damage. The digital display has a number of elements and audible alerts which communicate the status of the LIV IQ. The attention symbol appears always in combination with the following explanatory symbols: incorrect use, flywheel set with shutoff valve closed, and audible signal sounds. Low battery, do not use. Low flow, the flow from the LIV IQ is lower than the selected flow, and audible signal sounds. The device is too hot. The device is too cold. The LIV IQ has detected a strong magnetic field. Gas flow continues unaffected. Incorrect use, flow selector between two settings. An audible signal sounds in case the gas content is low. An audible signal sounds in case the gas content is very low. An audible signal sounds in case the gas content is empty. The mute button can be pressed to silence all audible alerts, except gas content is empty. This video shows the main functions of the LIV IQ. It does not replace reading the LIV IQ manual carefully.